Baby. Oh, you're trying to go in. Ah! Wow! Wow, what's that? Bar! Wow, look at the mess. You should know how to clean your toys. Huh? Shay, you want to have a tent? Oh, Daddy, she wants to have a playhouse. Look, she wants to go inside. Just stay there. Don't worry. If Daddy will not going to buy you, Mommy will buy it for you.
Go now na.
Now na. Just make Mommy, just let Mommy finish the landscape first. Then I will buy because Daddy is so kuripot. So I will buy na lang. Ha, Dishay? Is it okay, baby? Your daddy is working abroad, but he's kuripot. Yay! Cute kasi kay Lishay, may playhouse din siya magkalat. No? Kasi gusto, pangarap ko din yun noon, wala ako. Wow! Baby!
Bring out the mess!
Baby, what kind of game is that? Huh? Just roving around, nothing to do. With scattered toys. And then you're going inside the... Oh, look, oh, Daddy, oh. She's going under the... bed. Oh. Go out. Shay, go out. It's dirty. Shay, where are you now? Yay! No, baby. Wow. Hi. Hi, baby. Di ba yun sa mga bata sa US? Di ba yung meron silang taguan na may chocolate na sila doon. Doon na sila nagsistay. Yung may hideout.
Kasi naman, bata mo.
Tapos doon din sa treehouse. Pag pinagalitan ni nanay, akit lang doon.
Gusto mo din magka-treehouse in Shay?
No, it's for the boys.
Is it for the boys though?
Yes. I don't want Lishay climbing up of the tree. I want her to be a gymnast. More of a pet lover. Baby, you're so big na. Oh, look, oh. You have Daddy's long legs. It's Daddy's birthday month. Tang. It's a big day that comes once a year. Daddy's birthday. The day is here. The party's gonna be greater than great. It's your Daddy's birthday. Let's celebrate like that. Make a wish. Your cake and ice cream are so delicious. Open your presents and play games too. It's your birthday. Celebrating you. She don't like the song. Again. The day's a big day that comes once a year. This is
Your birthday!
okay. Stop singing now. 1, 2, 3. The day's a big day that comes once a year. Daddy's birthday.